Hey there, fellow commuters. If you're navigating the bustling streets of New York City and rely on the OMNY card for your subway or bus rides, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to reload your OMNY card so you never get caught off guard mid-trip. Let's get started. First things first, what's OMNY? It's New York City's modern contactless payment system for MTA services, designed to make tapping in and out a breeze. Whether you're a daily rider or an occasional visitor, keeping your card topped up is key to a seamless experience. There are a few simple ways to reload your OMNY card, and I'll walk you through the most popular ones. The easiest method is using the OMNY app. Download it for free from your phone's app store, create an account, and link your card. Once you're in, open the app, log in, and look for the Add Value or Reload button. Enter the amount you want to add, maybe $10 or $20, and select your payment method, like a credit card or bank account. Hit Confirm, and voila, your funds are on the way. If you prefer handling things on a computer, head to the official OMNY website. Log in with your account, select your card from the dashboard, and follow the same steps to add funds. It's just as quick and secure. For those who like in-person options, swing by any subway station with an OMNY vending machine. Simply tap your card on the reader, follow the on-screen instructions, and use cash, credit, or debit to reload. Easy peasy. Pro tip: set up auto reload in the app so your card automatically adds money when it dips below a certain balance. This way, you won't have to think about it. Keep in mind, it might take a minute or two for the funds to activate, so reload ahead of time if you're in a rush. And if you run into any hiccups, don't worry. The OMNY website has a helpful support section with FAQs and contact options. Thanks for tuning in. If this video saved you time and hassle, hit that like button and subscribe for more urban travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.